Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about how you can produce your moringa powder through the moringa leaf. As you all know, moringa has so many benefits. And I'm talking about benefits, it has so many benefits and is widely known all over the world. Now, moringa is a tree, and each part of this moringa tree, like the stem, the root and everything, even the leaf, have their own benefits, and they're either eating or they are made as herbs or medicine. So to see the usefulness of this moringa, I have my fresh moringa here. I just plucked this one recently just to show you how it looks like. This is the moringa leaf. This is it. So now when you're washing your moringa leaf, you have to wash it together with the stick and everything. Then when you're done, you keep it in a very cool environment where it's only air that can. Don't keep it in an open environment that is exposed to sunlight. If not, this moringa will decay. It will change from green to yellow, and which is not good. So for you to maintain this greenness, you have to keep it in a cool environment that is not exposed to sunlight. Now this is my dried one. I've already dried my moringa. So after you're done washing it, you put it in the dryer and you allow it to dry for some minutes. So this is the dry one I have. I've dried a lot of it. This is my dry moringa leaf here. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is just to blend. Like I said before, the moringa has so many benefits. One of it is that it prevents and cures cancer. It also prevents the liver. This moringa you're seeing, either the fresh or the dried one, whichever way, it cures cancer. It prevents bacterial diseases. Remember, anything I'm talking about is all about health. Everything is all in line with health. So this also is also good for the immune system too. It also makes the bones healthier. Now, a cup of your moringa powder or a cup of your chopped fresh moringa leaves contains 2 grams of protein, 12% of vitamin C, 19% of vitamin B6, 11% of iron, and 8% of magnesium. Those are the major components in this moringa powder or your moringa leaf. Now, it's also good for that this moringa powder. You can also make it as your face mask. It also glow your skin. You can take it as your tea. You can make it as your smoothies. So this is the dried one here. I'm going to blend, and you will see how the moringa powder look like. So I'm going to bring my blender right now. You just have to be careful so it won't splash all over the places, and it won't be too much. So I'll be grinding it into powder form. So I'm going to use my sieve and sieve out the particles. And make sure it's So you keep doing this process till you've gotten your moringa powder. See, can you look at it? So I'm going to add it with some of my fresh moringa. So I have to sieve it out again. Mind you, this takes a lot of time, but you just have to be patient to get the actual moringa powder you need. Sieving out your moringa, this is what you get. This is what you get. Can you see? Just have this fine smooth powder. Now I'm not done with everything yet. I just want to show you how you can properly prepare your moringa powder comfortably at home. I always use this dryer here. Why? Because it's very, very good. You can set the time, you can set the temperature. Like what I usually do is that I'll just set the temperature and set the time, then go back to do my other house chores. As you can see beneath it, you can see some moringa particles there also, to show you that I've already used it for what? For drying. So that's how you make your moringa powder. Thank you all for watching. Like I always say, for my return subscriber, yeah, very, in short, I love you all. Now if you're watching my video and you're not subscribing, please subscribe to my video so that you'll see more content and more videos. You'll see when I'm going to upload them, because I know some people will be like, when is she going to upload a video? When is she going to? It's when you subscribe and turn on that notification that you get to know when I'm going to upload a new video. Thank you all, and I love you. Bye.